Happy West Coast Swing, everybody! Our Monday morning intermediate advanced class. We are playing with sugar pushes, so we have several variations, and the right side rolling pass, or the right side roll by. So the most basic we have is our sugar push. We have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and this is an upward J hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We'll do it one more time so you can see the other view. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. He J hooks upward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then we got a little playful with the sugar push. He's going to step off, still giving me a sugar push on the track, and we're going to do a little fancy hand change and then roll by right to right. So we have a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Roll by 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Cool. Then we did that same idea. He's going to step off and give me that one-handed sugar push with a sneak around shoulder catch. He's going to reach around and grab my right shoulder, which is going to redirect me similar to a tuck. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. This lands us right to right again, so we can do a roll by. We play with taking the second hand, which turned it into an illusion. So we have 1, catch the hand, 2. Remember, right hand stays high. We break at her wrist for 3 and 4, 5, and 6. So we'll do that one again from the other camera angle. So from our little sneak around, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Very nice. Then we did another playful sugar push option where leaders are going to karate chop upward. Okay, so we have 1, 2, that's a hand switch. Compress 3 and around 4, 5, and 6. This lands us with our lefts on top. We can simply drop the right hand, and we're going to actually do it. Oh, our first option was our sunshine arms. Don't forget those. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's just a basic sugar push to get back to normal hand. So if we do that sequence again with the karate chop hand change, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We're left to left. We're going to do the spinning pass now. We drop the right hand. So we step off and cut the gal 1, 2, curl around 3, and 4. Redirect her. Take the wrist here. 7 and 8, 9 and 10. We're going to do that same sequence from the other side. So again, with our karate chop hand change, we've got our 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Left hand preps. 1, 2, curl it in. 3 and 4, uncurl. 5, take the wrist. 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Very nice.